Hi everyone, Mr. B here. In honor of the Lunar New Year, today we're going to attempt the Jianzi Challenge. Now here you see a group of people practicing Jianzi. It can be practiced by yourself, with a partner, or with a group. Now the object of the game is relatively simple. Keep the Jianzi or shuttlecock in the air for as long as possible with using any part of your body except your hands. Now here's what an actual Jianzi looks like. They're usually comprised of 4 feathers and a rubber bottom with plastic discs. Now since you won't likely have one of those at home, we're going to make our own with some objects you can find right around the house. Now here's an example of what it'll look like at the end. Now all you need is a plastic grocery store bag, a pair of scissors, a rubber band or tape, a water bottle cap, and 2 quarters or washers. Now to start the project and produce our final product, all we're going to do here is cut off the handles of the bag. Once that's complete, we're going to split the bag into 4 sections by cutting along the seams. Now once your bag is in 4 sections, we're going to grab the water bottle cap and the 2 quarters, and we're going to place those right in the center of the bag. This will give it some weight when we're kicking it. Now that it's in the middle, gather the bag around, give it a little twist, and here you can use your rubber band or the tape to make sure that the heavy portion stays at the bottom together. And now that that's done, all we want to do is make it a little bit smaller. About the size of your hand is a good size. So we're going to cut off the excess portion of bag. And then just to make the top portion of the bag a little more like feathers, we're going to split these individual sections now into slightly smaller sections. And there we go. We now have our very own Jianzi. Let's play. All right, here are the rules for the Jianzi challenge. You can play by yourself, with a partner, or group. The goal is to see how many times can you strike the Jianzi before it hits the ground. You may use any body part except for the hands. Good luck. Now here's your rankings based on your score. 1 to 5 touches, beginner. 6 to 10, amateur. 11 to 20, professional. Greater than 20, grandmaster. All right, here's my first attempts. Whoops. Let's try that again. Oh, fail. Looks like I'm a beginner. But never give up. Let's try again. Hey, getting better. That makes me an amateur. Now let's see how a group of professional football players from the English Premier League can do. So remember, you can play in a group or by yourself. Looks like these guys are pretty good. No wonder they're footballers. All right, 15 for the professional footballers. Now let's take a trip to the park and see how these older gentlemen can do. Oh my. Looks like these guys have done some practicing. you didn't see the football players doing this. Oh my! It still hasn't hit the ground. I think these guys might never finish. Alright everybody, well, I think we better get going. It's time for you to practice. Hats off to these gentlemen. Truly, these are the Grand Masters.